Hello everyone. Today I'm going to replace the bathtub drain. This bathtub drain is about like 27 years. This is the wrench, dumbbell wrench, and this big adjustable, and the plumber putty. So the first I need take off this. Let me see where we can put this here. And then I use this wrench. Since it's near 30 years, you need quite a bit strength to lose it. After you use the big wrench to lose it, you can manually use the dumbbell wrench to lose it. After I remove the bathtub drain, I use the pig hook tooth to check if there's a hair there. Sure enough, there's a lot of long hairs. You can see I gradually pull all the hairs out. So after I clean up this, it's ready to put a new bathtub drain on. I got this new one. So before you put this on, put the plumber putty and get one and make it like a big noodle. Surround the plumber putty around it and remove the extra and just make it the fit there and put the extra back into the plumber putty container. Gently manual thread in. Be cautious not to cross the thread. After you turn a few turns, now you can use dumbbell wrench to thread in. Last, you can use adjustable to tighten it up. Make sure the plumber putty coming out. And then remove the extra plumber putty, clean it up. Put the extra plumber putty back into the container. Give it a final thorough clean up. Make it look neat. That's all about replacing bathtub drain. But I would like to take a step further to install hair catcher to prevent hair from clogging the drain. You saw a few minutes ago, I remove a lot of hair to unclog the drain. If you call in plumber to do it, it's not cheap. This is hair stopper. So you can see they have a different the rubber ring to fit a different size. So if I put it here, this rubber ring is a little bit smaller. I can put the bigger size. So this will fit in here. So I need to put this one in. See that? And then I put it here. It's a fit. So that will catch the hair. One catch more hairs, the water flow slow. You just take this up, clean this, and put it back. Thank you for watching this homeowner small project. I appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more homeowner small project. Thank you. See you next time.